So this is an order that's going to Baltimore, and this is a custom order. Lately I haven't really been doing I haven't been doing a lot of custom orders, but I have been doing a few because, you know, custom orders take a lot of time. I have probably about 2 or 3 more custom orders to do, but usually I try to just stick to the retail and the ownership designs. So this is going to Baltimore, and she wanted, I had did a pair like this for her, and somebody gypped them, and these are a little different from the first pair, but these are called, matter of fact, you'll see a picture of the first pair right up here, but these are called Original Goddess. And then this is the back. I kind of did the back a little similar. I'm thinking about doing this back on a pair of earrings, like you know, I got a little idea. So yeah, so these say triple X OG and Original Goddess, and they got a little crown right there. And she got sterling silver hooks on these. Another pair is, she makes sides, like she cooks. She do a lot of different things, but one thing she do on the side is she cooks. She make mashed potatoes and all kind of stuff. So I just made a thing say Big Mo sides, and she always repping her RBG, so I put Black Power 360s. And a matter of fact, these are a gift to her, because she always support me. And then the back is like a little camouflage design. And then these, she wanted something to represent Billie Holiday. So she wanted, like, you know, a white magnolia. A lot of people think Billie Holiday wore gardenia. She wore magnolia. So this is a magnolia. And in the back, she wanted different colors. And she wanted the colors that's in the back with the word strange fruit. So I got my Little Mermaid handwriting, and I thought these were so dope. And then I just painted the back black because I just wanted to be focused on the front. And if y'all haven't seen the movie with Billie Holiday with Andra Day, please go look at it. It is so good. Just this song mainly cost her life because she wanted to sing this song, and it was what they was doing. They was hanging black people, and they wouldn't give her no help from her heroin addiction due to the fact she wanted to keep singing the song. But the thing about this movie, I did some Billie Holiday earrings years ago. I put a picture up here so y'all can see. And then it was another design that had that same picture, but it had strange fruit on the side. A new Billie Holiday design coming out. Yeah, that movie with Andra Day inspired them. So y'all check out history out and just check out what a lot of black people don't went through. These came out so cool. This can even be on a t-shirt. I like the way they came out. All right, y'all, so this is the next order, and these are going to the place across the screen. They got mud cloth on the back. They're one of my favorite designs to draw. It's a little tedious. It's man and woman, queen and king, and the name of them is across the screen. I love doing the mud cloth design on them. So yeah. So going to the next order. And this pair, the name of it is across the screen, and where it's going is across the screen. So the original design is not these colors, but the sister that ordered these, she couldn't find her original pair. So she was like, she ordered another pair because, you know, she really liked them. So she ended up finding them, and she had already put the order in. So she asked me, can I make them yellow, blue, light blue, and green? So this is the design that I came up with for her. And y'all will see over here what the original design is. And it's just the back, just fingerprint painting. So, and she also is one of my clip-on supporters. If you don't wear, your ears not pierced, and you just want to try my earrings, you just, when you order, just put in the notes, clip-on, please. It's nothing extra to add the clip-ons to it. All right, y'all, so y'all check out the next order. All right, y'all, salam. Okay, so here go another order. I think it's 2 orders in this one. Okay. So these are to the place across the screen. And then this is the first pair. See the name of them under. Every time I make these, I always do them a little slightly different, but yeah. So that's those. And I've been doing, you know, when you're doing a skill, a craft you got, or a talent you got, you always try to perfect it as best as you can. And I'm always figuring out just ways to do things a little better over the years. And then these another pair. That's the back. Even though I was thinking, like, when I first started doing these earrings, I just always painted the back solid colors. But I have something coming up with some solid backs. And then these are one of my hot sellers. Y'all probably seen these in a couple of videos. Another pair, which is one of my hot sellers. Somebody way in Ghana, Africa got a pair of these, y'all. Well, in Africa, I don't know if it's Ghana no more. And these too. These, and somebody bought these in Africa too. And these are so dope. I'm gonna put these, I'll put this, a similar drawing to this on a t-shirt, y'all. And these just straight black. And then these, oh no, don't let them go. So all these are going to the same exact place. This is one order. Like when I be busy, like I know I have been posting videos, but I'm grateful to have been doing this for a while. And so I still get ongoing orders. But y'all gonna see me more. And then this is a order that's going to a separate place. This is my original unk. I designed this unk, like I drew it. Then I sent it to the cutter and they cut it just like that. So I'm gonna make more. I have designs with this, but I have it a smaller unk. But yeah, I'm gonna make more designs with my original wood cuts. All right, y'all. So here is another order. And then I'll show y'all. Y'all see the name of it under. Y'all see the name of it. And then this person got another pair, and I'll show y'all that in the next clip. All right, so the last clip y'all seen these. I had showed y'all these. So we already unpacked these up. And this is the other pair the beloved sister ordered. One of my hot sellers. So those go with those. And y'all see at the bottom of the screen where that order is going to. All right, so the next order are these. And y'all can see the name of them across the screen. I'm obsessed with butterflies. And this is the back. See how that back gave that pop? And then the card shells painted, hand painted. All right. And then these right here is another order. One of my hot sellers. First people to start putting the moon with, the unk with a crescent on earrings. And I see it's really popular now. Finger painted on the back. And then y'all see these a lot in my Queen's order videos. They are indigenous. They're one of my hot sellers. All right, y'all. I'm back with another set of Queen's order. Okay, so this pair was a custom order. I do custom orders. I just don't do them as much as I used to because I be so busy. So, you know, somebody asks me and they done ordered for me a couple of times, I'll do it for them. It's just custom order. Sometimes it get crazy. But anyway, so what y'all seen some custom orders, the first pair, the first 3 pair on this video. So it's a sister. If y'all look up here, she sent me this picture. She always support me, and she asked me, can I make some earrings representing vitiligo? And she wanted her, and it's crazy because she had my earrings on, which y'all will see the picture over here of these earrings. They're one of my hot sellers, and I created these, and I did like detailing her hair. And she said this right here is one of her signature marks. This was the only picture that I had to kind of look at her little vitiligo spots. So when she received them, inshallah, she love them because I think they came out cool. Just my little way of drawing. Yeah, and I just put vitiligo queen on this one, and then I did the background with fingerprinting. So hopefully she'll like these. I think they came out cute. What y'all think? Put in the comment section. All right, so these next 3 pair are ownership designs. These are, I did a video. If y'all check this link up here or the link in the description box, y'all will see that I have these ownership designs where I create these designs for upcoming artists, and I don't sell them, and I give them the rights to these designs. So this particular person, these are going to Miami, but this particular person is a really, really, really good friend of mine, and she ordered 3 pair, which was these, and I thought they were so fly. So she got these, and she got these. These, oh wow, these are so dope. This print is so fly. And she got these. So I'm excited to see what she's going to do with these prints. So if you want to learn more about the ownership designs, if you want to purchase some ownership designs, check the video out in the description box, and you can hit me up and learn more about if you want to purchase some designs that will be yours, and you can duplicate them. You can put them, do anything you want to do with designs once you purchase them. All right, y'all. So this is the end of this Queen's order video. It been many clips. So I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to pick up trash in your community. Adopt a pet from your local rescue or shelter. Treat those with respect that treat you with respect, and leave a beautiful comment. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.